Hello everyone, my name is Rajan Arora and welcome to my course C# Best Practices. With over a decade of hands-on experience in .NET technologies, I am thrilled to guide you through a comprehensive exploration of industry-proven best practices. In this course, I am going to pretend that I was hired by Wildcraft, the outdoor company, to help them clean their code. I am going to show you the steps that I took to improve their code, making it easier to maintain and extend. And I will show you the C# best practices that I applied with the clean code as the end result. Some of the major topics that I will cover include clean code principles and recommendations, coding conventions and guidelines, clean classes and methods, refactoring techniques and best practices for creating unit tests to test your clean code. By the end of this course, you will know how to write clean code that is easy to read and maintain. But before beginning this course, you should be familiar with C# and programming in the .NET platform. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into multiple topics that dive deeper into the .NET world. I hope you will join me on this course to learn how to create clean code with the C# best practices.
If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.